En observeert dat je bent.
You are allowing it.
Laat je dat toe.
Because the Bible says,
Want de Bijbel
my people are perishing.
mijn mensen,
Lack of knowledge.
mijn mensen
If you have the knowledge, if you understood that you were pregnant,
als jij begreep dat je zwanger was.
the Bible says Mary was pregnant with Jesus.
De Bijbel zegt
The
Maria
day that Mary went to Elizabeth,
zelfs dat Maria naar Elisabeth.
even though Elizabeth was you're already irritated.
Je kan niet meer slapen, want die baby blijft je kikken in je buik. Dus je bent heel snel geïrriteerd.
But the only thing that we have to know,
Maar het enige wat wij moeten weten,
are you pregnant as me?
de vraag voor ons allemaal is, ben jij zwanger als mij?
Because when I'm telling to you that I cannot eat the way I used to eat, you can advise me that, okay, maybe you have to eat something else because you are pregnant as me.
Weet je, als ik dan naar je toe kom en als ik jou dan vertel van hé, ik kan dit niet meer eten omdat ik zwanger ben, zou jij mij kunnen adviseren van eet dit, want ik ben ook zwanger en dit is wat ik eet.
But if she's not, she's always going to think that I'm just overreacted. I'm just thinking that it's all about me and it's because I'm the one that's carrying a child. And you know what is most irritating thing that will make people to kill you is because you are pregnant and they are barren. You cannot talk to a woman who's barren how you are enjoying your pregnancy. You cannot